Oats are a gluten-free whole grain and one of the healthiest grains on the planet. The duration of preparing pure oats is absurdly long, which is why people prefer crushed, rolled, and steel-cut oats. This whole grain is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Regular intake of oats has been proven to give the body multiple health benefits. Oats are a nutritious and versatile food that can be a valuable addition to your diet. So in this video, we will explore the health benefits you stand to gain by eating oats every day. Make sure you watch till the end, because you might have overlooked some of the foods on this list. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 5. Lower blood sugar levels. Oats are a type of whole grain that is a good source of dietary fiber that can help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. This type of dietary fiber partially dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance during digestion. Due to the high fiber content, it does not contribute to blood sugar levels, unlike other types of carbohydrates. In fact, fiber can help slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. Also, oats contain large amounts of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Beta-glucan works by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and carrying it out of the body, preventing the body from reabsorbing the cholesterol into the bloodstream. Number 4. Skin protection. Oats contain several properties that are beneficial to obtaining and maintaining healthy skin. Eating and applying soaked oats on your skin might just be what you need to rejuvenate your skin. It contains compounds called avenanthramides, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help to soothe irritated skin. Again, beta-glucan has also been observed to have moisturizing properties that offers natural additional protection to the skin. Number 3. Reduced constipation. As a high-fiber diet, oats reduce constipation when taken in moderation as a part of a balanced diet. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is not digested by the body. The fiber in oats is water-soluble, forming a gel-like substance during digestion. This formation bulks up the stool, aiding it in its journey through the digestive system. Oats will help to improve bowel movements and relieve constipation. Number 2. Weight loss. The next benefit you can get from a daily intake of oats is that it can help you in your weight loss journey. Oats are highly nutritious and low in calories, making them a good choice for people looking to reduce the number of calories in their diet. Furthermore, oats are good sources of protein and healthy fats that can keep you feeling fuller for longer. Since they make the stomach feel full, you stand to benefit from reduced cravings for food or snacks. Number 1. Reduced risk of heart diseases. Finally, when you eat oats daily, you have a good chance of reducing your risks of heart disease. Studies have shown that beta-glucan or B-glucan are effective at lowering cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. High cholesterol levels in the body can increase the risk of heart disease. In particular, high LDL cholesterol in the body can also increase the risk of stroke. Luckily, oats are rich in B-glucan, which moderate their levels. Furthermore, oats are a good source of nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, that can support overall health. If you know any other health benefits of eating oats or have some concerns about the ones provided here, please let us know in the comments.